Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you how to detect malware on Android to keep your device running smoothly and safely. We will guide you through a quick and effective scanning process. So now, let's get started. For step one, you need to open the Google Play Store on your device and download the Malware mobile security app. This app is a highly trusted tool used to identify hidden threats and protect your personal information from malicious software. In step two, locate the newly installed app on your home screen or app drawer and tap to open it, then select the Get Started option. This initial setup prepares the application to interface with your system so it can begin looking for vulnerabilities. During step three, you might see a premium subscription offer, but you can simply click the cross mark at the top of the screen to continue. This allows you to access the essential scanning features for free without needing to sign up for a paid plan immediately. For step four, locate the dashboard and click Scan Now to begin a comprehensive search for any harmful files or suspicious applications. This process is vital because it deep cleans your system and ensures that no background processes are compromising your privacy or battery life. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips